A very good afternoon to all of you, and today we will discuss the Fabaceae family and particularly the subfamily Papilionaceae. And this Papilionaceae is a subfamily under the Fabaceae. And this, if I'm just concentrating ourselves into the Fabaceae family, this is a Dicotyledons family. This belongs to the Polypetalae. This belongs to the Calciferae, and this belongs to the Rhodales. This family is this is a third largest family of the flowering plant. And Bentham and Hooker divided this family into the three subfamily: Papilionaceae, Caesalpinaceae, and Mimosaceae. And the recent taxonomists treat them under these three distinct family, which is known as the Papilionaceae, Caesalpinaceae, as well as the Mimosaceae. These subfamily of Bentham and Hooker, which differ in several characters, are described here separately. But we will talk only about the Papilionaceae, which is known as the Mutter family, which is known as the pea family. This is a subfamily or Papilionaceae, and this is a subfamily which contained the 482 genera and 7,200 species has been recognized, which are very cosmopolitan to the distribution. And before going to this family, which we are calling the Papilionaceae, and this family is characterized with a certain characteristics. For example, the marginal placentation is there. The placenta develop along the junction of two carpel in a unilocular ovary is called the marginal placentation. The corolla arrangement is very different in this case, and this is a very unique in this case. The corolla is papilionaceous. Papilionaceous means the buttercup butterfly-like. So as the corolla possesses one posterior biggest one, which is known as the standard, two lateral wings, and two innermost or the smallest one, which is called the keel. So this is a very characteristic one. The corolla is papilionaceous, which is known as the vexillum, which is also known as the butterfly-like. And in this case, the corolla possesses one large posterior standard, two lateral wings, and two inner one, which is called the keel. Then the fruit type has also been very interesting one in this case, the legume or the pod. This is a dry monocarpellary fruit which developed from a superior one-chambered ovary and dehiscent by both the suture. And the vexillum arrangement of this corolla has also been recognized, which is called the imbricate arrangement. 5 petals. The posterior one is the largest and cover the two lateral petals, and the lateral petals wings overlap the two interior and the smallest one, which is called the keel. The inflorescence is again unipodially branched racemose, sympodially branched cymose. So in this case, the racemose inflorescence has been recognized. The compound leaf is there. And so the leaf made up of more than two or more leaflet is called the compound leaf. So these are the interesting feature, which are interesting characteristics, which we have to incorporate in this family. So this is a structure which is showing the Pygium sativum. This is a structure in which you can share these fruit types, the morphological structure, also the LS also. So before, again, we are talking about this family, which is known as the Papilionaceae. How we can identify that? So the first point is that the leaves are compound. So it is consisting of more than one leaflet. So stipulated leaves are there. They are climbing. Their base is swollen. So leaf base is swollen. Another interesting point is that the leaf base is swollen. In this case, you can observe that the leaves are broadened at the base. Also, the flower is papilionaceous and the corolla arrangement is papilionaceous. So this is a characteristic one. One standard, two wing, and two keels are there. So because they are unequal in size, the arrangement is zygomorphic type. So the flower is technically called a zygomorphic type. The gynoecium is monocarpellary. The ovary is unilocular. Marginal placentation has also been recognized. Another interesting point is that the stamens are diadelphous. So stamen occur into the two bundles. In this case, 9+1. The fruit is a very interesting one, which is called the pod or the legume. This is which opens through both the suture. This is the pod. So the best example may be the Cicer, which is called the Graham, and Dolichos same, Cadenus, which is called the Arar, Pygium sativum P, Arachis hypogaea, a groundnut, which belongs to this family, Pygium lathyrus, which is called the sweet pea, Delbergia indigofera. Delbergia is known as the sisu, Indigofera is known as the Neil, Arachis is known as the ground Mumfali. These are the points which you can say that this is a very interesting plants which belongs to this family. They are one of the important part of the food of the human being. And this family related to the Caesalpinaceae, Mimosaceae, as well as the Rosaceae family. So if I'm talking about this family, so this family is very interesting to all of us. And this family is definitely, we are finding some economic importance of this family also. So this Fabaceae, which is called the pea family, this is a subfamily under the Fabaceae family, is Papilionaceae, Angiospermae, Dicotyledons, Polypetalae, Calciferae, Roses, Papilionaceae, and this is nearly many species has been there into this group. 5,000 species has been grouped into this family. Habit is mainly herbaceous. Shrubby condition is also been there. The roots is harboring the nitrogen fixation bacteria. So root nodules is also been there, and this is making the another soil fertility is also been done. So the harboring nitrogen fixation bacteria in the nodule. So very interesting one. So they are mainly terrestrial habit has been recognized into the this Papilionaceae family. The leaves are compound, pinnate or palmate, stipulate. Leaves are base are solan. The inflorescence is racemose. The flowers are complete, zygomorphic, bisexual flower is there. The hypogynous condition is there. The sepals are 5, gamosepalous, bilipped condition is there. Imbricate, odd sepals are there. They are always anterior in the position. The corolla is very interesting one. The petals number is 5, very unequal. This is the largest one, which is the posterior one, which is called the standard. The two lateral one are similar and usually called the clawed, and wings or the claw. The two innermost one are the smallest one and usually called the keel. And so this is called the keel or the carina. The polypetalous condition has been there. The papiliovenous condition, this is known as the papiliovenous condition is there. The vexillar arrangement is also been recognized. The number of stamens are 10. The usually diagonal first 9 plus 1, 9 into the one bundle and remaining 1 into the free. Anthers are two-celled. Longitudinal dehiscence condition has also been recognized in this case. The gynoecium is number of carpels are 1. Ovaries is stalked, superior unilocular with 1 to several ovules is there. On the marginal placentation is also been there along with the ventral suture. The style is 1, stigma is 1. Typically, a legume fruit has been recognized. The seeds are non-endospermic. The embryo is conspicuous. The floral formula is zygomorphic, hermaphrodite K5C5. A 9 fuse plus 1 G1 superior ovary is also been recognized into this family. This family is a very interesting one because it is useful to the human being. For example, it gives the pea, Pisum sativum, Pisum arvens, field pea, Citrus aurantium chickpea, glycine makes soybean, soya, Cajanus pigeon pea, Lens escularensis lenticel, Masoor, Vigna mungo, black gram, Vigna radiata, green gram, Vigna aconitifolia, aconite, that also belongs to this family. There are certain vegetable also belongs to this family. Vigna uningutasa, cowpea, the Phaseolus vulgaris, kidney beans, the Phaseolus lunatus, lima bean, Phaseolus coccianensis, they also belongs to the this family. The Lub purpurea also belongs to this family. Vicia faba, this is called the Bankla, also belongs to this family. Cynopsis also belongs to this family. This is called the cluster bean. The Canavelia ensiforme also belongs to this family. This family is not providing the food to the human being, but the another one is that this is also providing the oils is also been there. So for example, the Arachis hypogaea, this is called the ground, this is the Mumfali ka tel. Also the oil has also been recognized from Pongamia. Oil has also been recognized from Posocarpus. All soybean oil, glycine max has also been recognized or also been obtained from this family. The seeds of Spathobolus yield and oil also been recognized. The best fiber, which is the bast fiber, which you can say, the Crotalaria johnsia also belongs to this family. There are fodders. The trifolium is a fodder. There are many species of trifolium has been recognized as a fodder. So this Medicago sativa has also been recognized. There are certain timbers has also been recognized. So Dalbergia sisu, Dalbergia latifolia, East Indian rosebud. These Pterocarpus has also been providing the many species of Pterocarpus has also been recognized with recognizing the useful type of timbers. Then this dyes has also been recognized with this family. The Indigofera tinctoria, the Pterocarpus, Crotalaria stricta also belongs to this family. Clitoria, these are giving the this dyes. Butea morosperma gives the dyes. The gum is also been there. The Astragalus gives the gum. The Astragalus gummifer. The Cainopsis also gives the gum. Then the medicine has also been recognized with this family. Cremaria is a medicinal plant which belongs to this family. Glycyrrhiza, also the this Sorels also belongs to this family. So this family is a very interesting one to the human being because it is providing the rich source of protein by pulses. They are also providing the vegetable. They are also providing the fiber and also providing the fodder, timber, as well as the dyes has also been recognized from the family. So this family is characterized with the flower is papilioneous condition is there, leaves is compound, broad is base has been also recognized, zygomorphic condition has been there, and also the ovary is unilocular, marginal placentation is there. The stamen is diadelphous condition is there. The fruit is legume or the pod. You can recognize this family, which we are calling the this family, which is called the Fabaceae family. Thank you. Under the family, subfamily is Papilionaceae. Thank you very much.